Good morning, 5th class children. Now I am going to tell you about nervous system. Look at this picture, children. In this picture, people are seen crossing a road. What should they do to cross the road safely? Road precautions must be followed to cross the road safely. Okay, children. Next, which organs should work in unison to complete the task and how are they coordinated? Okay, children, nervous system should work. Here in nervous system should work. Next, how can you recognize the sensation of an insect bite? Insect bite can be very painful. It can be detected by the nervous system. Okay, children, insects bite can be very painful, children. It can be detected by the nervous system. Next, look at this picture. This is a brain, spinal cord. These are nerves. It is our nervous system that controls and coordinates the activities of different organs in our body. It is like a communication network, receiving and sending messages to each and every organ or tissue. No single organ can function without being controlled by this system. Our nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay, children, brain, spinal cord and nerves. Now I am going to tell you about brain. Look at this picture. This is a brain. Brain is the largest organ in the nervous system. Which organ? Largest organ in the nervous system? Brain organ. Brain is the largest organ in the nervous system. It is situated in the head and is protected by the skull. Protected by the skull. Okay, children, it is situated in the head and is protected by the skull. It is the body's control center and is like a computer with life. Okay, children, brain is the body's control center and is like a computer with life. Next, this is a spinal cord. What is this, children? Spinal cord. Spinal cord is the long cylindrical structure at the back of our body, which extends from the brain to the hip. Which extends from the brain to the hip. It is protected by the vertebral column or backbone. It is protected by the vertebral column or backbone. This acts like a telephone exchange for sending messages from the organs to the brain and vice versa. Okay, children. Next, look at this picture. What is this? This is a neuron, nerve cell. Neuron is the basic unit of the nervous system. What is the basic unit of the nervous system? Neuron. Neuron is the basic unit of the nervous system. It is made up of millions of such cells. It is made up of millions of such cells. All the neurons are interconnected with their long, thin thread-like structure. Long, thin thread-like structure. All the neurons are interconnected with their long, thin thread-like structures. These thread-like structures of nerve cells are called nerves. These nerves work like telephone wires in carrying messages. These nerves work like telephone wires in carrying messages. You know telephone wires? Okay children, this is a neuron. What is this called? This is a neuron. What is the basic unit of the nervous system? Neuron. Okay children, next. Okay children, understood? Nervous system that coordinates the activities of different organs in our body. Brain is the largest organ in the nervous system. What is the largest organ in the nervous system? Brain. Next, spinal cord. Spinal cord is the long cylindrical structure at the back of our body with extend from the brain to the hip. Next, neuron. Neuron is the basic unit of the nervous system. What is the basic unit of nervous system? Neuron. Okay children, your neuron is made up of millions of such cells. All the neurons are interconnected with their long, thin, thread-like structure. These thread-like structure of nerve cells are called nerves. What are called nerves, children? What are called nerves? All the neurons are interconnected with their long, thin, thread-like structure. These thread-like structures of nerve cells are called nerves. Okay children, understood? Next, this is a nervous system. Now I am going to tell you about the muscular system. Look at this picture. Look at the man lifting a heavy rock in the picture. How is his body? Very strong. This picture represents our muscular system, which is made up of different muscles. A muscle is a soft tissue comprising of long, elastic, specialized muscle cells. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles in our body, children? There are 600 muscles in our body. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. They perform the most basic activities such as lifting, walking, swimming, etc. Okay children, understood? Muscular system. How many muscles in our body, children? There are more than 600 muscles in our body. They perform the most basic activities such as lifting, walking, swimming, etc. Okay, next. Look at this picture. Some of these muscles are attached to the bone. This is a bone, children. This is a muscle. Some of these muscles are attached to the bones and are responsible for the movement of our limbs. What are called limbs, children? Hands and legs together are called limbs. Okay. Okay, children, understood muscular system? Muscular system, which is made up of the different muscles. A muscle is a soft tissues comprising of long, elastic, specialized muscle cells. Some of these muscles are attached to the bones and are responsible for the movement of our limbs. What are called limbs? Hands and legs together are called limbs. Now I am going to tell you about skeletal system. Look at this picture, children. In this picture you see the framework of house. It gives shape and strength to the house. Is there any such system that supports our body? Yes. The skeletal system inside our body is the framework which support our body. Okay children, the skeletal system inside our body is the framework which supports our body. It is not visible from outside. Look at this picture. What is this? This is an X-ray image. What do you see in this X-ray image? Hand picture, the hand skeletal system. Okay children. The skeletal system, skeleton, this is a skeleton, children. The skeletal system, skeleton is made up of different bones inside our body. There are 206 bones in the skeleton of an adult. How many bones in the skeleton of an adult? 206 bones. There are 206 bones in the skeleton of an adult. The skeleton gives a definite shape, strength and support to our body. It protects the important internal organs such as brain, skull. Skull protect brain. Okay children, next spinal cord. Spinal cord, spine. Heart and lungs, rib cage. This is called rib cage. Protect our heart and lungs. Next, some movable joints of bones facilitate various movements in our body. This is a rib cage, this is a skull, this is a spine. Okay, these are joints. Spine, skull, rib cage, pelvis. Okay children, this is our skeletal system. How many bones in the skeleton of an adult? How many bones in our body? There are 206 bones in the skeleton of an adult. Okay children, understood skeletal system? Next, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Father, mother, child. You can see a father, mother and their baby. All the above mentioned system are identical in both males and females. Only one type of organ system is different between male and females. It is the reproductive system. What is this called, children? Reproductive system, which helps in producing babies. All the living beings produce their offspring, which is important for continuity of life. Okay children? Our body is the largest machine ever. It is a very complex system when compared to a computer. It lasts a lifetime and it is up to us to take good care of it. Children, do you know in our body the longest bone in the thigh bone? What is longest bone in our body? Thigh bone. The smallest bones are located in the middle ear. Okay children, do you know what is the smallest bone in our body? Middle ear bone. Where is located smallest bone, children? Middle ear. What is longest bone in our body? Thigh bone. Okay children, understood nervous system, muscular system and skeletal system. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.